Uh-oh. All right, welcome back to the channel. We out here putt-putting around in what could be probably the biggest mistake in the history of riding motorcycles. That's right. Going into the Mall of Georgia traffic. Seriously. I have been seeing a lot of bikes out today. I just came from Psycho Gear. Just trying to check out what they have. But they don't have much. And for what I needed anyways, I was looking for a helmet and maybe, I probably shouldn't, but maybe another leather jacket. Oh, the disease and the addictions, man, I'm telling you. Being addicted to this stuff, we love it. But yeah, anyways, we out here just riding around. Oh, appreciate it. Bruh. Road is closed. Ah! You want to do it sometimes, but then you know better. Oh, it's hot. It is hot today. Feels good now with the wind. So I don't know if I'm just way too out in the country, but I do not see a lot of girl riders where I'm at. There are a few that I know that I've seen on like Harleys and even sports bikes, but I guess I'm wondering like which state or maybe even which region has the most girl riders. And I'm not talking about girls that ride on the bike on the back with their boys, but I'm talking about like straight ownership, this is mine, you know, type of deal, right? I wonder which state has the most girls riding motorcycles. That's gonna have to be some researching right there, because I have no idea. And analytics on the YouTube channel tells me girls don't watch videos of dudes riding motorcycles everywhere and talking to a phone, to a camera. They don't. That's in the analytics, Holmes. My analytics right now is like anywhere from 18 to like 40 is my range. That is the age range in which my content is being consumed by that age group. And it's all males. It's like 99.9% male that consume the videos. So I guess I don't know if it's just not a girl thing to do. Maybe it's, obviously it's inherently more dangerous, and girls maybe tend to, the majority of them tend to stay away from it, which is understandable, which is alright, nothing wrong with that. But I was just wondering, a side note, so for the guys, So if you're trying to impress a girl, a motorcycle is not the way to go. Or motovlogging too. Motovlogging is not the way to go. You're gonna get a lot of compliments and a lot of looks from dudes. I'm just saying. Okay, I have to get my suspension tuned. I need to find out who in the greater ATL area that can help me tune my suspension to me, because I've been consuming quite a bit of that Dave Moss stuff, and the way he's tuning motorcycles, the suspension and stuff like that, oh man, I want to tune mine so bad now. So I need to know who in the greater area of Atlanta can tune suspensions. Let me know in the comments, because I need to holler at them. Uh-oh. Don't do that to me, Beyonce. Scare me, girl. I almost forgot this is the circle. I'm about to go blast it up in here. Woo, that would have been bad. I was gonna run up to the mountains today, but I decided, nah, I'm just gonna hang around town here. I did not want to go another hour and a half on the highway, or at least an hour on the highway, to get all the way up to the mountains by myself again. If I had a few other riders, I probably would have went, but I'm just gonna go by myself again. I'm not gonna go by myself again. I just came back the other day from going by myself, so I'm just gonna hang around here, have some fun around town, talk about nonsense.